Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the love reading for the week of 23rd August 2021. So I'm using the Angel Tarot cards by Doreen Virtue and Radley Valentine. So let's see what are the love messages for this week. And the first card is right here. Four of Earth. Now this talks about two extremes. This says either you being too frivolous with money or you're being too cautious with money. So whatever your situation is, get a balance. Again, a message for balance from the general reading, but this talks about financial balance. You need to kind of start taking good business decisions. You need to also get into charity. The message that is coming in is that that if you want your finances to become okay, if you don't want unnecessary expenditure, start donating. So this is a very very big remedy that I give to my clients when their 12th house gets activated in the chart or money issues. I tell them start donating a little bit so that extra money doesn't go from you, because the money has to go according to your astrology chart or your tarot reading. I say just do it on your own. Take out some money and give it to charity, go to a temple, go to a gurudwara, just go give it to someone who needs it. So that is what is required. So first time I'm giving a very very strong remedy for those of you dealing with a lot of expenditures. And I know it's coming in a love reading, but this could be affecting your partnership. It may be affecting your partnership because this is a love reading. So money issues might be coming in your love life. So start doing something, start balancing it. Don't be like a miser, but don't be too frivolous also. So it depends on your situation, as this is a general reading. Let's see the next card. Page of Fire. A lot of passion in your love life. I feel that you and your partner may realize that you want to do something very adventurous. This also talks about bed pleasures, but this could also be just generally wanting to do something passionate with your life, if the bed pleasure is not the case for some of you. So I feel that you want to be original, you want to do something passionate. So you or your partner might be discussing that one of you might be wanting to do something creative. It could also be that both of you together want to do something, but it could also be that some of you want to take up some creative pursuits together. So you may decide to go and play a sport together. You may decide that we want to take dance classes. So something on those lines is happening, and something you want to do something exciting in your partnership, and you want to do it with your partner is my first vibe. So even if you are discussing with your partner that I want to do something with my life, your partner will also be a part of it and you want them to be. So besides bed pleasures, when I talk about passion, it's about passionately doing something together. So that is the second message for the love reading. Let's see the final card. The Star. Now you've seen this card in my original Rider-Waite tarot deck. So this talks about a lot of fame, fortune, happiness coming in your partnership, in your family, and having a more optimistic and positive approach towards your family and your partner. And you finally feel that we are at the right track and we are taking things in our stride. So that is what's happening. Also, like I said, happy times, fame, fortune. So because it's a love reading, I feel that either you are getting that fame, fortune, or your partner. So whoever is getting it, of course, is going to benefit the other, because obviously it's a partnership, right? That's why we call marriage as a partnership, because you divide your happiness, you divide your sorrows, you divide sometimes your money also. So that is what the case is. So yes, a lot of positive notes coming in your partnership, in your love life. And I feel that the angels are saying that you are on the right path. And keep going. I also feel that you need to see the positive traits in your partner rather than seeing the negative side, because as human beings we tend to look at the negative side of someone than the positive. So I feel that if you have love within your heart, spread it. Spread the love, spread the positivity in your family, in your partnership. Give it to your partner rather than being negative. Appreciate what is positive in them. Appreciate how nice they are. It's very easy to gossip, it's very easy to say negative things, but it's very difficult to appreciate others. So do that, and don't do it because you want to get good karma or something from God. A lot of people do that. I'm going to do this because I want this from God. please don't do it like that. We have astrology remedies for that, that's different. But genuinely be a good person, spread your love. If you're a loving person, no matter how others treat you, don't let that change who you are. So if you have love in your heart, you have positivity in your heart, then give it to your partner, give it to your family. So that's what this card is saying. I also want to say something, that I feel a lot of angel presence around me right now. If you notice, I did a lot of this. So whenever they try to connect with me, they do this. I start feeling those tingling feelings on my face, around my head, in my arms, and I feel they're really around me. And I feel that the coming weeks will be good. So try and see the goodness in people is what they're telling me. And they're really making their presence being felt. I can feel their presence very strongly. So this happens to me during readings. When I'm doing reading for people, I start feeling a lot of tingling here and here. That's because they want to tell me something, and this is how I connect with them. And yeah, so I just want to say that things will be better, and things will be good, because we have the star card in the love reading. So fame, fortune definitely coming in your partnership. I hope this makes sense. And if you want a love reading, you know what to do. Send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.